ACoS, that is advertising cost of sales, is a crucial measure when checking how well your Amazon ads are doing. It's like a report card for your Amazon pay-per-click advertising. A low ACoS is good news because it means your ad is performing well. But if your ACoS is high, it could be a sign that your ad isn't doing that great. This could mean you're spending too much to reach your target customers and possibly losing your money. So what can you do if your ACoS is too high, or if you just want to spend less on your ads? Well, here's a simple solution. Use the Seller App Advertising Insights dashboard. It's like a control panel for your ads. Just enter your target ACoS in the advertising overview section and then navigate to the insights and then click on the negative search terms. These search terms have a higher ACoS than the target ACoS, meaning these search terms are either irrelevant or non-converting for the product and burning through the ad budget. So to optimize your campaign and minimize the wasted ad spends, select these search terms and mark negative in your campaigns. This action converts them to negative exact keyword match types for your campaigns. On the other hand, if your product is in the launch phase and your primary objective is to maximize the impressions, click on the Ignore for 7 days button. Doing this will prevent the search term from appearing in your negative search term dashboard for the next 7 days. In addition, you can set each search term as negative in the dashboard. Click on the Mark Negative button at the end of each search term row, which converts them into an exact negative keyword for the campaign. You can also ignore the keyword for 7 days from this section. Also, watch out for duplicate search terms. Sometimes the same term shows up in different targeting options. So look at your reports from the last 30 to 60 days in the advertising report dashboard. See which targeting option is doing the best in terms of converting views into sales. Stick with the one and remove the others to make your ads work better. By doing this, you can cut down on wasted ad spending and make your Amazon ads more effective. One of our clients reduced their ACoS by an impressive 65% by getting rid of low-performing keywords and cleaning up the duplicate search terms. You can do the same and make your ads work smarter. So don't let the inefficient ad campaigns drain your budget. By identifying and eliminating the irrelevant keywords and duplicate targeting, you can dramatically improve your advertising performance. This simple yet powerful strategy can lead to significant savings and boost your bottom line. Take control of your campaigns today and unlock their full potential now. For such tips, stay tuned. And until the next time, happy selling. Hey, it's Ankita Patil here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon, expert tips and some how-to guides that will make sure you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.